Alright, we're going to be working on this Mul-T-Lock Interactive tonight. It's a brown belt, 5-pin. It's serrated. I'm using this Huck number 2, and I got a multi-pick tensioner. Bring my hand around. I apply a lot of tension on these, which makes it easier to not overset. That's one of the hardest things, not to overset. So try 1, nothing on 1, 2. 2's binding. 2 up. Get a click on 2. Going 3. Get a click on 3, 4. I don't know if I got a click on 4, if that was just hit 5. Good click on 5 with a little core rotation. Go back to 1. 1's good 2. 2's good 3, 4, 5. Alright. Go back to 1. Nothing on 1, 2. Nothing on 2, 3, 4. There's 5. Alright, good. We hit into a pretty deep falset, so we should be just on the inner pins now. So I'm just going to little flex as I lift them. Okay, go back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there it is, open. All right, let's zoom this out a little bit. Good. Okay. I'm just going to lock this back up now that it's open. Obviously it's open, so I'll bring it kind of 90 degrees so you can see. Just in case. Lock it back up. Okay, now I can slide it out of this. Alright, and now we can just slide the top off to show you all those pins. Let's bring this up here. Let's keep that in frame. Let's bring this down like this. Okay, and zoom it a little bit for you. There we go. Alright. Let's not have these pins go all over the place. Done that before. Okay, bring the top out. Okay. Okay, don't go everywhere. Alright. There we go. That's the first pin. The first spring comes up. And after that, once I get this off, the rest will just, there we go. Alright, it kind of gets loose once you get to here. Just put my thumb over it and just slide them all out. Just release the tension on the springs. There we go. First spring fell out. No bigs. Alright, let me get this. Let's put this in the 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is technically the 1 position. But let's just do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Right here. Okay. And now we'll start with the number 1 pin. Okay. Here's serrated here. I'll put it like this. Put this pin here. And put the inner right there. Okay, 2. So it's this one here. The inner here. And come on. There we go. Okay, 3. Okay. Good. Good. 4. And last one. Good. All right, let's get a close up on that. Let's see. And there's all those serrated, all the inner pins, and all the key pins. You see there's one kind of torpedo in there up there. All right, that's it.